hard rocks in our garden. Can I still plant without a raised bed? We planted last year without knowing that we have full of rocks in our garden. We were tilling our garden soil, maybe a few inches, and on the top we made a half-feet raised bed. We did not see a fruitful last year. We decided to investigate the soil, so we started digging during winter when all our plants died and stopped producing any yields. You will not believe it. As soon as we started digging, we found a lot of rocks, so we decided to take out all the rocks. We almost were digging more than 2 feet deep. Honestly speaking, through the process, we broke some sprinkler pipes and fixed it ourselves. So if you want to dig, be careful. Now we are so satisfied that we have a permanent and fruitful garden bed. We started seeing the results of our hard work. our vegetables and crops started growing fast, and we started seeing the results in early spring. We collected more than 2 yards of rocks and used those rocks for our landscaping project. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.